Wonderful home with a private saltwater pool, built in 2017, fenced yard, and multiple upgrades, all found in a quaint community of only 35 homes. Welcome to Enclave at Bear Lake. This home offers a spacious floor plan constructed in 2014 with room for everyone. A fantastic exterior first impression features a stacked stone facade, brick paver driveway, and covered front entry. Inside, the front foyer offers a split view of the first floor and the upgraded wrought iron and wood staircase. The first floor features an attractive kitchen with granite counters, a center island with an inset for chairs, glass and stone backsplash, upgraded cabinets with crown moldings, outdoor vented microwave, black appliances, walk-in pantry, and a great view of the dinette covered patio and family room. The family room is quite roomy and is nearby to the third full-size bath. The living room den is perfect as a home office or homeschooling area. There is plenty of hidden storage under the stairs and hanging storage shelving in the garage. You will enjoy easy maintenance laminate flooring in the first floor living areas and kitchen. In addition to all bedrooms, laundry room and 2 full baths. The second floor offers a large loft with custom built-in cabinets and bevel-edge laminate counters. The primary suite features a tray ceiling, large windows overlooking the pool, a huge walk-in master closet, and a comforting bath. The primary bath features a double sink vanity with granite counters, polished fixtures, a garden tub, and a separate shower. The additional 2 bedrooms are each of a good size in addition to the full-size bath. Outside, the covered patio is quite large and looks upon the pool and screen enclosure. The pool offers a variable speed pump saltwater system and PebbleTech style surface. There is plenty of room for your 4-legged friend to run and play as the backyard is big. Nearby 414 and 429 grants you access to Mount Dora or head south to Disney. If you work in Altamont Springs,